In view of the ensuing high school leaving certificate examination 2024, conducted slated to begin from tomorrow, the All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association has urged the students to follow exam rules and regulations and say that the association will bear no responsibility of any untoward incidents. Speaking to media at Tangjung Hall in Manipur Press Club today, Association Secretary Pukrambam Roman highlighted the inconveniences faced by the students during tough times of the COVID-19 pandemic and the prevailing crisis in the state. He added that the exam will decide the future of the students. He called upon everyone to extend their support and cooperation to ensure the exam is conducted smoothly.
Tangulekana mahi kasi tambak pamjat bata natana hai ba public exam asi lekana ekhasu yaba namjadraba mairoi marai kiraba mairoi ngaktani maramasina asigumlaba mairoi singi marai ba grek badoriba high school leaving certificate examination ek takaidana mapung phana pangthokpa ngamjadabagi dama Manipuri praja section khudingmakna mateng pangiduna mapung phana pangthokpada punamanga sahajog pinabi hainasu namuna thamjari parents singra exam ke akoibada punna laisadaga koi exam khubang chenbuli mongda koi khattaba mami sagapagi kainabi du tawbiganu asigumba torokpa matamda onindaba thokpa pamda pusinaba matamdasu association ki thaitagi karimum mateng mata pangjaroi Maramasina Haiba exam asi angang sing marai pekadoriba exam amani khanbiraga ek takai mapung phana pangthokba honabada ekoi khudingmana mateng pauniduna education ko awang thakta porna ko honabada ekoi isai isai daitwa tuna longina se